Jackson?
Oh, for crying out loud. What's the biggest author in the world have to do to get a little privacy?
Maybe not stand in the lobby next to a giant picture of yourself?
Sorry, it's just whenever I come to one of these things, every superfan loser comes out of the woodwork. And they all think they've got the best idea for my next book.
Well, I can assure you that is not what brought my associate and I.
Me.
Yes, when Andrew Yang started running for president, no one cared. But then, when they found out he was going to give out free money, all of a sudden everyone knew his name. And that's the magic of money. It brings people out of the woodwork. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, you win the lottery, you'll get family you didn't know existed.
My weapon is totally back. I knew you were coming out of the woodwork. I knew it. I knew that was going to happen. Where does the guy...
This is the president.
Hey, what's up?
Well, well, well. Crawling out of the woodwork to try and get me back now that I'm a big cheese?
And you might not think getting millions of dollars is a punishment. It isn't. Until you start having aunts and uncles coming out of the woodwork asking you for money. One time I found a $50 bill on the street. By the end of the day, I had 6 new aunts. The whole thing cost me $200.
Don't you hate it when in comedy people are constantly throwing ideas out and you're like, please don't, because I might do something that peripherally touches what you're doing and later you're going to say you stole it from me.
Well, it's true. You don't want somebody coming out of the woodwork, especially the day that somebody options your film, to say, hey, that was my idea.
Look up, and there's this kid pedaling away in the getaway vehicle, which is my bike. And he's about 11 or 12 years old, and I'm on the floor, and I'm crying because I saved a lot of money for that bike. And I'm crying, and I stand up, and I start screaming. Instinct steps in, and I start screaming, mwizi, mwizi, which means thief in Swahili. And out of the woodworks, all of these people, come out, and they start to give chase. This is Africa, so mob justice, like in action, right?